All right, class, we're in the last week of school here. Looking forward to reading your contemporary issues paper. And I'll try to give you guys feedback this week. So look for a message from me about those. And then this is the last two grades that are going in. So we have a lesson on our philosophy of education. And that is a quiz with 5 questions. So that'll be pretty quick. And then you guys are going to be writing a 1 to 2 page paper on your philosophy of education. So that'll be the last assignment that will be due, both of those on Sunday, and then we're done. So that philosophy of education paper is really a framework that spells out your beliefs, goals, what you envision your class to look like, and all that's incorporated in the paper. And that's going to change from based on your school demographics, based on the content that you teach, based on the grade level you teach. And it's going to change from year to year. And as you learn more and have more experience as an educator, I know mine has changed multiple times. It's a fluid process. Specifically, I'll give you an example, kind of where I'm at right now with my philosophy of education is, I want my class to be a welcoming, safe environment. I want my class to be fun. I want kids to come to the class and look forward to it every day because they know they're going to be doing something different. They're going to be doing a lab. They're going to be moving around. And they're going to be learning something very interesting. But at the same time, it's also going to be challenging because they're going to have to think critically on some issues. So, that's a fraction of what my personal philosophy is. And, you're going to be writing out something a little more extensive with that. So that's the lesson today, and I would encourage you guys to hang on to that and include that in a resume. I've interviewed candidates before, and they've had that philosophy statement in there, so it is valuable. So hang on to that. And, I want to wish you guys the best of luck as you're moving forward in your education careers, possibly if that's the direction you go. I think it's a challenging process, but it's something different every day, and there's a lot of gratification and reward with teaching students, regardless of the setting, private, public, charter, etc. So, I hope you guys have found value in the class, and wish you the best of luck. Shoot me an email as always if you guys have any questions. All right, thanks so much.